Hi, my name is Hajra and this is my CS50 mail project. I'll be showcasing all the required features including sending mail, viewing mailboxes, reading individual emails, archiving, unarchiving, and replying. First, I'll demonstrate the send mail feature. I begin by clicking on compose. I'll enter the recipient's email address, for example, harrypotter@email.com. Then I add a subject line such as morning wish. After that, I type the body of the email. For instance, good morning, Harry Potter. Finally, I click on the submit button to deliver the message. The system shows a success message and automatically loads my sent mailbox where the new mail appears. Next is the mailbox feature. Clicking inbox displays all the received emails. As specified, unread emails appear with a white background and read emails appear in gray. Each email shows the sender, subject, and the timestamp right from the mailbox view so I can quickly scan my messages. And if a mailbox is empty, a message appears to let me know. Now I will view an individual email. Clicking on this mail displays the full mail, including sender, recipient, subject, timestamp, and the body. This action also marks the email as read, as you can see when I go back to the inbox and it is now gray. Okay, so this project also supports archiving. Clicking on this archive button removes the mail from my inbox and moves it to the archive mailbox. Now I'll go to this archive mailbox. Here, by clicking on this unarchive button, my mail is moved back to the inbox. Okay, so finally I'll demonstrate the reply feature now. Clicking on this reply button opens a pre-filled compose form. The recipient field is automatically set to the person who sent you the original email. The subject line is marked to. If the original subject was happy birthday, the new subject line will automatically be set to re happy birthday. And if the email already begins with re, it won't duplicate it, keeping everything neat. Even the body of the mail is pre-filled with a helpful reference line like on September 14, 2025, 10:29 a.m. Selena at email.com wrote, "Happy birthday, dear." I'll type my response here. "Thank you, dear," and click on the submit button. The system shows a success message and automatically loads my sent mailbox with this mail at the top. So this wraps up my CS50 mail project. I hope this clearly shows all required features: send, view, archive, unarchive, and reply working as expected. Thanks for watching.